pray for James. We give you all the praise and all the glory for the life that he lived. He's all safe today while we remember him. May this ride be something that he would be proud of, something he would enjoy.
What's going on?
This is James's vest. He loved it. He put a lot of funny patches on it, you know.
How do you know it's James's? Yeah. He was a big, ugly, fat fuck. Am I that fucking bad? 4 inches stroke it. Make anybody laugh however he could. And then he was deployed to Afghanistan, so he has that little rocker. And he was paratrooping. He jumped out of planes for fun.
He loved it, so I'm bringing it with today.
Look, James, you left too early, man. You should have been on this ride here with us, and we should have just been hanging out, brother. I know you're up there enjoying your beer, enjoying whatever else you're getting into, and that's all that matters for me, and you had a good time going out. Love you, brother.
First ride, man. I know you were always saying, I ain't seen you ride, you ain't got a bike, but I do. It's here. And I missed out, man. Love you, buddy.
Hey man, I love you and I miss you. Glad I got to see you that night.
We love you. This is for you. We miss you.
What are you gonna tell James?
Hope you're doing good, fucker. We miss you, dude. This is for you. Hang in there.
Missing you, brother. James Tuttle thought he was good at pool. But since he's not here to defend himself, no, he wasn't.
So how do you know James?
James was my best friend. He's also the godfather of my son. And I've known him all 4 years that we've lived here. And we spent a better part of every day together at some point over the last 4 years. And if we didn't see him within 72 hours, we all got a little itchy and we missed him. And we're like, hey, where are you? And he checked. One of the best people I've ever known. And there's not going to be another human like him on this earth.